Artists of the People's Movement that is represented in this group by one of my colleagues, Ruanti. Now I've got 2 minutes. I'm going to say two things. Firstly, we heard now that the party leaders have been called for a meeting by the speaker and they have all gone there. And they have made a demand for Gotabaya to leave. This is a joke. Firstly, the speaker represents a failed institution, the parliament. What is he? The speaker represents nobody. He represents a failed institution. The parliament has failed the people of this country and they all had the time to ask Gotabaya to leave. They did nothing. Now when the people come out and the people force him to go, then they jump in and say, party leaders, we took a decision called by the speaker, a useless, non-representative person, and they are trying to take credit. So we reject that. So the artists of the People's Movement took two decisions. Number one, we reject this attempt by failed party leaders of a failed institution, the parliament, to come now and steal the win fought by these people and the large millions of people of this country. It's a joke, it's a shame, we condemn it, we denounce it. Point number two, we say Gotabaya go. With that, our artists of the People's Movement and this group says, get rid of the executive presidency. This is a curse that fell this country, bought by J.R. Jayawardena. He must be very happy, J.R., wherever he is, that this has survived for how many years since he left the presidency. This has to go. Whoever comes as the president will still have dictatorial powers. Ekadipati balayai tiyenne. Dictatorial power. It's a constitutional dictatorship. If we miss this chance and say go, and we must say, with you going, take the executive presidency and get out of the constitution. Now, constitutional experts will say, so it be. If there's a revolution, and what we have seen today is a revolution creates a constitutional crisis. That's not our problem. You sort it out. Just because there's a constitution that we reject, you can't say මේ ව්‍යවස්ථානුකූලව එහාට යන්න බෑ. ඒක අපේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෙමෙයි. ජනාධිපති ක්‍රමය අහෝසි කරනකම් මේ රටේ නියම වෙනසක් ඇති වෙන්නේ නැහැ. So, let's use what we have achieved today to do one thing, and that would be two things. Gota go, Ranil go, but remove the dangerous executive presidency so that we can start building a real constitutional democracy. ව්‍යවස්ථානුකූල ප්‍රජාතන්ත්‍රවාදයක් ඇති කරන්න නම් මේ ව්‍යවස්ථානුකූලව පවතින මේ ඒකාධිපතිත්වය එළවන්නයි තියෙන්නේ. ඒක තමයි ඉස්සලාම කරන්න ඕනේ. පාර්ලිමේන්තුවට ඒ බලපෑම ඇති කරන්න ඕනේ. ඒකෙන් මගේ කතාව අවසන්.